right, so where are we?
We are at the Marriott in downtown San Jose.
Ooh, you're a little dark here.
Yeah, I'm backlit.
Yeah, that's all right. Yeah. There's Canon.
Hey.
Okay. There's post elevators. Yeah, we got a nice view of downtown San Jose here. Very nice. And we also got some ThyssenKrupps here. Thyssen's.
Very, very early ThyssenKrupp. Right after they bought Dover.
Oh, that one doesn't work. The chime.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's try this again. If all doesn't go according to plan, we'll just start and we'll just make 2 our lowest floor.
Doesn't sound promising. I think they're trying to go down.
Okay then.
I don't even know if there is a down from there.
I think it was that other elevator on the side.
Oh, yeah.
Get a good cab view.
This one's a little shaky.
Yeah.
Kind of feels like a Dover attraction.
Yep. All right, we'll end it out here.
All right. It's also a little over level.
There it goes. And that'll be it.